AutoQuotes is the leading online catalog and quotation software for the food service equipment and supplies industry.
AutoQuotes is the online marketplace that you need to make a good product selection.
The AutoQuotes software suite has revolutionized the way professionals display, quote, and sell food service equipment and supplies.
It's a necessary tool for all equipment and supply professionals to have at their disposal.
It's just so easy and so informative and makes my life so much easier that it's a blessing.
Founder Kent Moats felt a part of the industry even before joining his father's dealership in the 1970s. For Kent, it was all about using technology to improve quoting efficiency. Today, industry professionals produce more than 3 million quotes annually with AutoQuotes.
When my dad started to want to retire, I said, okay, well now it's time to be in the dealership. That's when I started to build a database and to write the application for the first of AutoQuotes.
He was really ahead of his time. He knew what he wanted, what was best for the industry, before they even knew what they needed.
I came on board around 1991 when AutoQuotes was just slightly more than an idea. It was Kent and I in a hotel room, and really my role was to try to turn it into a help Kent turn it into a functional business.
It's always been fun and it's always been productive, and we always had high expectations of people's work.
We basically try to make sure the servers are up 24/7. We try to make sure the program's running consistently. The data department is great. They constantly fill this catalog up with all new data. Tech support does a wonderful job talking to the clients. Marketing's doing a fantastic job trying to promote our product.
As far as collaboration, I mean, we absolutely are working every single day with our dealers and our manufacturers, and improving that relationship, collaborating with them and listening to them and understanding what their needs are is just incredibly important to our success.
My dad tried a lot of new things and he took risks, and sometimes things didn't work, but AutoQuotes did, our software did. So I guess that's part of it, is taking some risks. Don't sacrifice, what we have, but taking some risk in order to continue to be ahead in technology.
I've always seen this company as a real technology leader in this industry and an innovator, and that was something my dad always wanted forward to do. And so, as this company continues to grow and continues to move forward, I see us continuing to do that. Still innovating, still being the innovators in the food service industry.
As AutoQuotes moves into its second quarter century, it has no plans of slowing down. The FES industry can expect AutoQuotes to continue pushing the envelope and looking for new and better solutions for sales and design professionals to grow and succeed.